Well, it's been wonderful to come back here with Irish Christmas in America to Elms College, and the Irish Cultural Centre do such a wonderful job here in Chicopee and the greater Springfield area. It always strikes us how many Irish people come to the show, way more than any other concert that we do in America. So it's wonderful to meet all those different generations of Irish immigrants, and it makes it a very special occasion for us. And it's wonderful that an organisation as strong as the Irish Cultural Centre exists and does such strong work, because we do really need to work hard to preserve those links with the different generations, because every generation of immigrants, comes from a different time in Ireland, and you have to work to keep those bonds with Ireland. So the little bit that we do by passing through here for an evening and spending it and getting to meet people and performing some music, song and dance, it means a lot for us to do that, and we hope that it was enjoyable for all the Irish people who came out to see it as well.